What's poppin'? So this is like very impromptu today. Oh, see, look, I'm moving, so this is why I don't have that much stuff in my closet. Well, this is not my room, but anyways. So today, I'm going into work at 7 p.m. to film for the Today Show. And I mean, I'm pretty excited. It's very impromptu. I'm going to be with 6 String Soldiers because I recorded a video with my homegirl Megan of America the Beautiful. And yeah, so I'm gonna go in and do that. Do I look beat? Do I look beat, y'all? Hey baby, I gotta go. I gotta go. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those cats were fast as lightning. Love you.
Who said I ain't got no net? Quit watching my freaking videos, you weirdo.
Okay, y'all gotta remind me to get a tripod for my car, because if I'm gonna talk and do all of these things in the car, we should just be safe. For me and my camera's sake. All right, I gotta compose myself for 1 minute before I have a freaking anxiety attack. Do I have my phone? Do I have my keys? Do I have my wallet? Do I have my mask? All right. I went from working at the commissary, doing like the very most, to being on TV. Ooh. Hopefully they don't try to play me, but I'm gonna just do my best to show you guys what happens behind the scenes of things. And yeah! About to mess my freaking hair up, but finally got to the building. I'm gonna walk in. All right, guys, I mean, I finally made it. Well, I made it. I just had to have a few conversations with some people. Hi, guys. This looks nice. Oh, wow, guys, look. This is like the new scene from the job. Oh, the setup is dope. Hey, these guys are famous. I'm vlogging because I'm a YouTuber now. I know. You guys didn't know I was multifaceted.
You have one gray hair in your bun, and I love it.
I have 2. Oh, I love it. I'm old. Girl, that's my friend. This my other friend.
Day show.
Yeah, 10 a.m.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, San Diego. Please allow Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone at the Today Show. Good morning, everyone at the Today Show. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. We'd like to thank the Today Show. Good morning, everyone. We'd like to thank the Today Show for giving us the 6 String Soldiers. Good morning, everybody. We'd like to thank the Today Show for giving us the opportunity to honor Memorial Day. There we go.
Kyra and Megan, can I have just standing still? So, go ahead.
There we go. Good morning, everyone. We'd like to thank the Today Show for giving us, the 6 String Soldiers, the opportunity to honor Memorial Day.
From sea to shining sea.
I'll see ya. All right, guys. I guess that's a wrap. Shining sea. It's almost like you guys did that.
morning, everyone. We'd like to thank the Today Show for giving us, the Six String Soldiers, this opportunity to honor Memorial Day.
Oh, beautiful, for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesties above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood, from sea to shining sea, from sea to shining sea.
Oh, yeah, the U.S. Army Field Band Six String Soldiers. That was just beautiful.
From NBC News, this is Today with Hoda Kotb.